How to do T3B stitch. You will need a cable needle. We have some stitches cast on using circular needles. We're working with 3 stitches. So slip the first stitch onto the cable needle and hold it in the back. Knit the next 2 stitches using a knit stitch off of your left needle. And now we are going to purl the stitch off of the cable needle. So make sure the yarn is in front of you. We're set up for purl and we are going to purl that stitch. And this is how you do T3B. Let's see this again. We knit a couple stitches just to have a separator. We're working with 3 stitches. Slip the first stitch onto the cable needle and hold it in the back. Knit the next 2 stitches off of the left needle. And now work the stitch off of the cable needle using the purl stitch. Make sure the yarn is in the front and purl. And we're done. This is T3B. How to do T3F stitch. You're going to need a cable needle, so slip the first 2 stitches onto the cable needle and hold it in front. Then purl. Make sure you're not doing a knit. This is going to be a purl. So put the yarn in front, purl the stitch off of the left needle. And now knit the stitches off of the cable needle using a knit stitch. Knit, knit. And you're done. Let's do this again. Let's knit a couple stitches. And now again, we're going to work with 3 stitches, T3F. Slip the first 2 stitches onto the cable needle and hold it in front. Purl the next stitch off of the left needle. And now work the stitches off of the cable needle. Knit and knit. And that's it, T3F. If you like this video, please like and subscribe, and we have a lot more video tutorials for you on Loopy Mango YouTube channel.